What are the types of securities market? Broadly speaking, securities market will comprise of two markets. One is known as capital market and the other one is known as money market. And I'm sure a question will come to your mind as to what is the difference between the money market and the capital market. And the difference between the capital market and money market is very simple. Money market is the market where you have all the instruments which has got a short term period. That means all the instruments with a time horizon of less than 1 year will be as part of your money market, and all the instruments with a long term time horizon will be part of the कैपिटल मार्केट. सो कैपिटल मार्केट में वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आते हैं जो कि लॉन्ग टर्म वाले हैं, और मनी मार्केट में वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट आते हैं जो कि शॉर्ट टर्म वाले हैं. दैट मीन्स विच आर फॉर इंस्ट्रूमेंट वेयर द ड्यूरेशन द टेन्योर ऑफ द इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज लेस देन 1 year. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका ये भी मतलब हुआ दैट कैपिटल मार्केट will have the equity instruments and it will also have the debt instrument, whereas the money market will only have the debt instrument, because debt can be long term. So when a debt is a long term, it will be part of the capital market. When debt is short term, then it will be part of the money market. But equity is always long term, and therefore or equity will always be part of the capital market. And this is what, friends, you would like to remember. And this understanding as to what is capital market and what is money market will always help you to understand whenever an instrument is spoken, you will immediately be able to identify कि ये capital market की बात हो रही है कि ये money market की बात हो रही है.